Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I would love it if you would subscribe and stay connected with me on this journey. Today, I'm going to be making C.O.O.L R.A.N.C.H Doritos burgers. So let's get started. Right now, I have a half a pound of ground beef because I'm not going to be making this for a lot of people. And this is going to stretch out, and this can make 4 burgers or it can make 2 thick burgers. So you have your half a pound of ground beef in your bowl. And then next up, you're going to need about 2 tablespoons of mustard. Now the mustard is going to give your burger moisture because we do not want a dry burger. All right, next up, we're going to put in 1 large egg. Now the egg is going to keep the meat bind together so that you can have a perfect patty and it's not like falling apart and crumbling. Next up, we're going to add in our teaspoon of salt and our teaspoon of pepper. Now for the most important part of this burger, the C.O.O.L R.A.N.C.H Doritos. So go ahead and get you 1 cup of Doritos, put them in a big baggie, seal it up at the top, and you're just going to just crunch and crunch and crunch and crunch and crunch. And this can be a little bit like therapeutic for you or even satisfying for those that like to get that satisfying feeling. Go ahead and just crunch up your Doritos until you get them nice and small. Now we're going to go ahead and pour in our crushed Doritos into our ground beef. And now guess what we're going to do, guys? We're going to use our hands to blend up our ground beef with all this yummy goodness. So go ahead and get your hands in there, get them dirty. This is the best way, and blend up everything together. All right, this is how your ground beef is going to look. And then what we're going to do is we're going to use our hand and we're going to go ahead and just split the ground beef in half in the middle. Now this is going to give you 2 thick, juicy burger patties. And this is how it's going to turn out. Sorry guys, it wasn't focusing right. And next up, we're going to go ahead and take out one side or one portion of the ground beef, and we're going to go ahead and pat it into a patty. Now you noticed I was trying to rationalize if I should cut that one in half as well, because like I said in the beginning, you can probably get 4 burgers out of this half a pound of ground beef if you didn't want your patties really big and thick. Now it's time to put your patties in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to get them nice and stiff. Now that your patty is out of the refrigerator, go ahead and press a little dent in the middle. That way your burger doesn't bulk up like a heel. And once it's done on the George Foreman grill, I want to put a piece of cheese on it and put it in the oven to cook the rest of the way. Cook it as long as you feel like you want it to be well done or medium done, but I like mine well done. And when it comes out, it's going to look nice and cheesy like this. So I chose onion roasted bread. I love onion roasted bread, and I toasted it a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and add my patty on. I'm going to add some red onion. I love red onion, but feel free to put whatever you want to put on your burger. Lettuce, tomatoes, whatever you like. Go ahead and doctor up your burger the way you want it to be. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe on your way out. And look out for more videos.